If someone really knew what the market would do, they'd be a billionaire, or at least have many millions. I keep hearing how the market's only going to return 2% over the next 10 years, or that the market's going to go back down to 3,000. Jamie Dimon says Fed rates could go to 6%. You also have perma-bears saying we're going to see the largest crash in history, but they've been saying things like that for the last 15 years. I would safely bet that not one money manager is really beating the S&P 500 over any significant length of time. Sometimes it's better to not bet against the US economy, and in most cases, you've been better off dollar cost averaging into VOO over time. For example, VOO since inception has averaged over 12% a year while giving you dividends every quarter. Like Warren Buffett is often quoted saying, "My wealth has come from a combination of living in America, some lucky genes, and compound interest." Of course, there's some outliers. Tesla has a 5-year return of over 700%. It also averages over 50% a year. But while Tesla's down 65%, VOO is only down 18%. What are your chances of picking the right or specific company? Now, I'm not trying to tell you to invest in VOO. I just want you to think about how you do invest. Yes, we're living in iffy times, but when it comes down to it, you're in charge of making informed decisions with your money. And that's why on this channel, I'm dedicating myself to you so that we can grow and be able to cut through the FUD with knowledge gained during these tougher times. And remember, hard times create strong men, and strong men create good times. So let's create some good times. Now, real quick, let's check out what the markets are doing. So as you can see, the global crypto market cap is still flat. It's 1.07 trillion with an increase of 0.82 over the last day. Bitcoin is also flat. It's only gone up 0.45% in the 7-day. Ethereum has gone up 4.42%. It's sitting at 1643. BNB is still sitting over 300 at 330. It's up actually 6% with a 1% up on 24. Binance Coin Cardano in the 8th spot is up 3.85% in the 7-day, but we're actually slightly down. We have dropped back under 40 cents at 38 cents. Dogecoin's in the 9th spot. It's down both on the 7-day and 24-hour. It's sitting still at 9 cents. And Polygon in the 10th spot is actually sitting up. This was the only one that's really been kind of positive constantly. There's a lot of positive news with Polygon going into the the bull market. I think we're going to see a big run up where we do pass up all-time highs. I think we could see Polygon in the $4 to $5 range easily. It's one of the gainers that we're being consistent with in the bear market. It's up 13.5% in the 7-day and 3.23% on the 24-hour. Now let's jump over here to the Bitcoin chart. Now, I made a short about this. This is what we're nervous about. Is this going to be a consolidation range? If we can hold this support level and not drop back under 22,000, then we should be okay. If we can consolidate here and retail and big money can drive the price back up to 24, 25,000 range, we should be okay. But what we're starting to see is a slight downturn with the MACD also having a downturn. And that usually tends to lead to a lower bottom, which would be our support range around 21,000. And then we would consolidate there or bounce off of that support range and go back up to 24, 25 from that point. So what you kind of see is we're in between. We've talked about this before. You're in between these two ranges. And if we can create our own support here, then good. But if not, we're going to find support down here in the 21,000 range. And then we're going to bounce back up to the 24, 25,000 range before moving on in either direction. Now, if you get turned away at this, because this is a resistance point. So if you get knocked down, we're going to see either a return to the 23 or the 21. And just a reminder, we're still a year out from the halving. And so what you will see is a consolidation of Bitcoin. It might have a slight rise, but we're not going to go back up to 60, 70,000 just yet. You're going to have a time to consolidate. So be prepared for a year-long, slow, boring consolidation. And that's what historical data usually points to. So if you're liking these videos, go ahead and check out some of the other videos. The next top coin, we talk about the deflationary Ethereum and what Ethereum's gonna do in the bull market. If it's already going deflationary in this bear market, what can we do when volume comes in? Okay, and crazy, we're up to 52 subscribers. We've broken the 50 subscriber range. So if you're enjoying these videos, give them a like, subscribe to my channel. It helps the algorithm. We're trying to grow and teach and just gain knowledge together with everyone so we can be better prepared to allocate our money to make money when this bull market comes back around. Thank you.